house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.
I felt at that era when whole house energy audits kind of hit the mainstream, I thought we are going to take home building to a whole new level. This is going to change a lot.
Yeah, it's dramatically. The code changes. The way we build homes is entirely different than it was, call it 15, 20 years ago.
When people tell me they just don't build them like they used to, I say, boy, you just don't know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Be grateful for that. You know,
houses are quite a bit more energy efficient. They're insulated quite a bit better. They're a lot tighter. The advances in understanding of how much airflow impacts your air conditioning system and the actual cooling deliverance has changed dramatically, even in the last 12 years.
It really has. We've become, following the practice of world-renowned Jeff Leatham, of calling building sciences. It's not even the trades anymore. It's building sciences.
Building science, right.
But let me pivot on something. One thing that wasn't in our talking points, but you hit on it: tightness. All of this introduces a whole new dimension of indoor air quality that we've never had to deal with before. I mean, before the house, in the 70s and 80s, your house just breathed enough. You didn't have to worry about indoor quality, right?
Breathed, leaked.
Yeah.
Depending how you look at it.
Yeah, that's right.
Fair enough. Yeah, obviously, inside a home, you produce a lot of pollutants, whether it be water, whether it be cooking, whether it be,
Uncle Ned.
Yeah, exactly. Going to the bathroom. And when your house is tight, those particulates are staying inside your building, and so newer homes nowadays, we actually mechanically ventilate to bring in fresh air. Outside air is substantially cleaner than indoor air. Anywhere from 10 to 100 times, depending on the condition of the indoor air, right? Like if you ran your vacuum, it's going to be a lot dirtier than not running your vacuum. So it just depends on what the accelerants are putting the debris in the air. But indoor air is quite a bit dirtier than outdoor air.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.